Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here, EminiTradingPit.com, and I wanted to do a market analysis video. I just got back yesterday night from vacation, so I want to do a video and then it'll probably get uploaded right before the market and I can just jump into that. But let's do the video. And what I'm looking for right now is you see all these letters and numbers on here. This is Elliott wave. I use Elliott wave along with a few other methods, combine them, and that is how I analyze the market, if you don't know already. So what I'm looking for right here is all of this to be a corrective leg. Basically all of January, this entire year has been corrective, and I think it's continuing. So we have this W, X, and a Y, which is a corrective leg in Elliott wave, ABC up, and then we have this leg down. Now, what does that mean? Is this leg down still part of this overall corrective structure? I believe it is. And with this move up, I believe this is an A, maybe a B, and this is a C that's ending up here. Does that mean it's going to new lows? I think 99% chance it does not. Why? Well, the time factor is a thing. Now, what I'm looking for, if this is a WX and a Y, it means this is either an A leg or a W leg, which are both very corrective structures. The only difference is that the Y is a 3-leg pattern rather than a 5-leg pattern, where an ABC, a C is a 5-leg pattern. So they're basically the same thing, just with slightly nuances. So what I'm thinking, if this is a or a W, then this leg has not quite completed yet. So this leg can very easily be ugly, and I expect it to be. And the E-mini right now is around 4,000, where the S&P cash is at 4,026. So the E-minis are going to open gap down a little bit today. What is that going to mean? We kind of have to wait and see. It can easily support anywhere around this low here. That would be totally okay. But I do think it's going to be ugly, and I do think it's going to end up going higher, but really just have to wait and see. So if this is an A or a B, A or a W, this is either an X or a B, the beginning of one. So this move here can come up in this vicinity, or it can stay weak and reject down here somewhere. So what I want to see is it's gapping down. That's totally fine. What happens from there? You know, does it look very, very weak? Does it not? How does it come down? And then from there, you know, we can get a longer term trade on the E-minis. But right now it is at resistance. It's hanging out there. There's a couple areas right up here around that 4,000, 4,040 area. And that's basically where it's at. It's getting that rejection right now. And that's what I want to see what happens this week. And then how this week actually plays out is going to let us know what happens going forward. So the couple different scenarios on the table, and I know I'm a little long-winded here, is that, so this is the end of the first part of the correction. Okay, so we had this move up followed by a move down that did take out lows, but then it came right back in. So now either this leg gets a partner and this comes up here, so that could easily happen, or this is the end of this corrective leg. This is the end of this up move corrective leg, and then we get resistance here, which gives us another larger move down into that 3,100, 2,900 range. So that those two scenarios can really be what is playing out. Now the third scenario, which is also an upward scenario, would be this move here, up, down, up, is finished. And then this comes down and it finds support somewhere in here and then moves up again, and that would take us anywhere between 4,250 to 4,500. So that will take us somewhere in there. And then from there, we get a little rejection, and that will take us most likely into the new year, because I would expect this to be choppier and then to push up, and then maybe it drives up into January and then gets smacked down, something like that. So those are my three scenarios right now. I'm really just watching this week to see what is going to happen, and then from there, I will play whatever I can. I do think that this entire leg is going to be, it's going to finish correctively. I actually would bet money on that, and that's what I do for a living. So, take it for what it is. Do your own research, of course, but that's what I'm looking for. If you guys think anything differently, you can always put that in the comment section below. I also have a free training course on the website. If you go to the website and click on this middle button here, if you click on that, it'll take you right to a trading course. You don't have to put in your email address, none of that, and just click on and check out the trading course. It's totally free to check out, and like I said, you don't even have to put in an email address, so it's not even aggravating, because I know I hate making up email addresses. So check that out if you want. Let me know in the comment section below if you do, if you don't, and have a great day. I'll see you in the markets. Take care.